As part of KITH's Summer Vintage Tech Capsule, the KITH x ASICS Gel-Kayano 12.1 Tornado, 2025, combines improved streetwear style with high-performance design. The stormy gray mesh and suede upper of this limited edition style is covered with translucent synthetic overlays and metallic pure silver accents that shimmer when you walk. Adding unique visual complexity are reflective hits, rope laces, and subtly placed co-branding elements, like his Japanese tomodachi designs. ASICS' renowned gel cushioning is housed in the EVA midsole for maximum comfort and support underfoot, while a long-lasting rubber outsole for daily traction. Performance-ready and fashion-forward, the 12.1's sleek, tech runner silhouette strikes a balance between nostalgia and modernity. A contemporary classic, the Tornado may be dressed for streetwear or worn for all-day comfort. This limited edition drop, which retails for $195 and will be available on June 9, 2025,